welcome back to the Blitz. Our college Darton correspondent straight out of Albany tonight and all the way down to Sylvester to bring you the sights and sounds of the Cairo and Worth County game.
Hey sports fans, I'm JT Fellows, your campus correspondent this week for the Blitz. We're here in Sylvester watching the Worth County Rams take on the Cairo Syrup Makers. Here are the sights and sounds from this game.
Let's go, now. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go.
Let's play football. You guys are teenagers. Have fun doing it. This is the best years of your life.
That's going to wrap things up here from Sylvester. Let's send it back now to Pat and John in the studio.
Well, you already know what I'm going to say. It's getting better every week.
Every week.
That's right. And back to the highlights.